Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for being here. Today I have a purple eyeshadow tutorial for brown eyes. But you don't have to have brown eyes to do this look. If you like it, you can do it. I just choose that title because I have brown eyes, so I kind of like it. But I actually got inspired to do this look because today my jewelry is purple and I thought it was gonna look nice if I match my makeup with my jewelry, especially since I'm wearing black. I thought it was gonna look cool. So anyway, it's just an idea and I hope that you like it. If you do, subscribe at the end of the video and click on the bell. And for now, if you want to see how I did this purple eye look, please stay and watch. Thank you. it for today. I hope that you like this purple makeup. I'm gonna try to put the links to the products that I use, the ones that I can find, and I'm gonna put it down there in the description box. But that's it for today. Thank you very much for being here. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe, and comment. And have a great weekend. See you next time. Bye.